Well, it's almost becoming a trend in the Nigerian stock market for the last day of trading in the week to be the only day of gain. And that's how it's been for 2 consecutive weeks now. And it does look like it has kicked off this week on a similar note. After a 0.29% rise in key market indicators on Friday, the market is back to its losing streak, declining today by 0.14% at 29,809 basis points. Market cap also shared about 18 billion naira from previous close to stand at 10.886 trillion naira. Nestle begins this week on a high note, reversing all the losses it incurred in last week with a boost of 48 naira 9 kobo in the value of its share price. We also see that Presco shares also increased to the tune of 2 naira. Investors' interest in the stocks of Unilever and GlaxoSmithKline also resulted in significant gains for the equities. Now, moving on, conversely, we see that Nigeria Breweries PLC have fallen from its previous high, with its stock performance for the day declining by 2.50%, followed by Cement Company of Northern Nigeria. And when we move further, we see that Ecobank Transnational Incorporated is also one of the heavy laggards, while Dangote Sugar, just like Nigeria Breweries, also caved in to the gloomy stock markets, reversing gains it recorded in previous session. In summary, we can see that a total of 573,674 million units of shares were traded in 4,076 deals, and that resulted in 10.213 billion naira. Onto the global markets, we can just a minute. Yes, FTSE is got off to a better start, better than expected actually, opening 20 points higher. The Dow Industrial Average also hit a new record high of 0.17%, and Japan's Nikkei also edged higher as investors anticipate the G20 summit scheduled for later in the week. That's all on Stock Market Review. It's back to Fidelia for the rest of the news.
Well, thank you very much, Oyin, for that update. The market capitalization closing at 13.136 trillion naira. That's a fall of about 20 billion naira. We should hope for better days for investors at the NSE tomorrow.
Of course.